Hello, I'm Jenny with AquaPhoenix Scientific. In this training video, I'm going to show you the different ways that you can locate your saved reports. Let's get started. Users with access to the customer account as well as access to view reports will be able to view all reports saved within the system. Reports saved within the same system will be stored together. All test results saved within the system can be trended together. Select a customer, facility, building, and system to begin. If you know the system ID number, you can navigate to the system quickly by double-clicking on the system box and entering the system number. A window will pop open where users can enter the system number and click on the Select button to navigate to the database. Locate the View All Reports button located under the Report section and select your preferred date range. Any report saved within the system will be listed in chronological order by report date. The newest report will be displayed on the top with the oldest report at the end. Reports are color-coded to indicate report type. Color tiles will be displayed on the left. Service reports are in orange, visitor reports are green, operator logs are displayed in blue, lab reports are red, and flex reports will appear in purple. The small blue tile indicates the report has inventory data. Please refer to the inventory training video in order to learn more about entering your inventory data. Draft reports will appear in red with the word draft displayed next to the report number. Draft reports cannot be seen by customers until the report is finalized. Finalized reports will appear in black. The list will also display the report name, report date and time, as well as the author of the report. Finalized reports that have been modified will appear with the plus icon. Users can click on the icon to expand the list to see the modification history. Users can use the smart search provided at the top to filter by report number, report name, or author. Change the date range by clicking on the calendar to select a new date range or enter a custom date range. Users can also filter by report type by clicking on the color tiles on the top. Click on the PDF icon all the way to the right to download the report to PDF. Click on the report to open and view the report details. A red draft stamp will appear on the top right if the report is still in draft mode. Since all the reports for this system are saved in the same place, users can click back to return to the View Report list to view the other reports. The report type will be indicated on the top right, followed with any custom report name underneath. The report date and time will appear under the report name. The report header will show the customer information followed by the facility information. The report number will appear if it is set to be visible. The report author will also be displayed in the header. Any on-site and drive time will display underneath the report author if the viewer has permission to see this information. On-site and drive time will only appear for users with full or view permission. System administrators can change these permissions under user template and/or user groups. The building and system name will appear in the blue line. For viewers who receive multiple reports, referencing the facility, building, and system will allow the viewer to easily identify the location being serviced. Saved reports can be emailed by clicking on the email icon. Users can sign off on any finalized report. Click on the Sign button and use one of the provided methods. Sign the report by entering their user ID and password. Users can only sign the reports if the user has access to view the report. Draw a signature in the space provided on the right. Click Cancel to cancel, or Sign to save signature. Click PDF to download the report to PDF. Click Edit to make changes to the report. Now let's take a look at some other ways you can view the saved reports. The time management calendar is another great tool for viewing reports. From the home screen, click on the Time Management Calendar located under the Graphs and Trends section. By default, the current month will be displayed. The calendar will display the number of reports done within the month. The reports are color-coded so users can filter by report type. Click on the specific date to see the results listed in a window. Click on the report to open and view the report details. To learn more about the Time Management Calendar, please refer to the Time Management Calendar training video. The Customer Review Report is another great tool for viewing reports. It will allow users to consolidate a customer's report into a single PDF file. From the home screen, click on the Customer Review Report button located under the Graphs and Trends section. Here is an example for you to see. All reports saved under this customer has been compiled into this PDF file. To learn how to generate a Customer Review Report, please refer to the Customer Review Report training video. The last feature I wanted to mention is the Open Draft Report. Users can see all open drafts that are still waiting to be finalized. Click on the training video for the Open Draft Report to learn more. From the home screen, click on the Open Drafts Report button located under the Graphs and Trends section. The results displayed is dependent on the user's access. Filter results through the search box. Click on the report to open and edit the draft. Click back or save to return to the Open Draft Report. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please contact your system administrator if you have any additional questions. Thanks for watching!